and welcome back to my channel. So for today's look I am going to be doing a beachy wave look, which I absolutely love lately. It can be done on any length of hair, short, long, and any season. It doesn't have to just be summer for that beachy kind of look. So let's get started. So I'm just going to start off by zooming you out because my hair is quite long, as you can see. I have the 24-inch Beauty Works hair extensions in. I have them in since August, so they are after growing down by now, so they're about 26-inch now at this stage. So I will just try my best to kind of show you the ends and everything like that. So I'm just after zooming out there. This is the furthest that I can be. I'll try my best to kind of show you because I know it's hard to see on dark hair as well as being so long. So first step is I'm going to use a heat protectant spray on to the ends of my hair because you don't want to damage your hair at all with all the heat that you are going to be putting it on. I'm going to be using the Wella Terminal Image. So with this it actually protects the hair up to 220 degrees, and that's what usually your heat protectant sprays would be. Then I just brush my hair throughout just to make sure that it goes out evenly. So what I'll do then is I will start off and show you one side and kind of skip through the rest of it. So for the look that I kind of want, So for the look that I kind of like to leave this smooth and then start doing the waves from here down. That's all down to preference on what you like. So you can always start the curls from up here and work your way down and just do the same method all over. So for my curls I use the Dreamy 25mm bar. I love this curl bar because you can do any type of curl with it. The bigger the section you take, the bigger the curl will be, and the smaller the section you take, the smaller the curl is going to be, and it will be tighter. So I find with the 25mm bar you can do more with it. Also with the Dreamy curl bar, I love the way it has nothing at the top of it, so it's easier to slide off into your hand and leave it cool down. So I'm going to take a small section and start from the back and work my way in. So just wrapping it around until you come to the end, and I leave about 2 inches out, if you can see that. So what that does, it achieves leaving the end straight while the rest is curly, and then when we kind of brush it out later on it gives that beachy wave where it's more smoother at the end. So I leave this on for about 10 seconds. So when I am going to be taking it out, I leave it just fall into my hand and just kind of push it in. So what this does is the heat gives the curl, whereas this holding it in my hand is cooling it down in the curl. So I'm just going to take that out of the way so when I leave this drop you can see what the style is going to be. So there you can see that we have a wave going down here and then this is straight. So don't worry about any of that because I know when you look at it it's like, that looks a bit weird, but when we brush it all out and kind of fluff it up a little bit later it will all blend in nice and neat. So I'm going to do all my curls in the opposite direction to each other. So this time I'm just going to go behind it and wrap it around and also leave out that bit at the end. So this time then with the curl I'm going this side of the hair and wrapping it around, and again leaving out that small bit at the end. So changing the direction of your curl just gives more of that beachy kind of wave, that they don't all set into the same direction and give more like a natural look. So this side I have done, and this side I'm going to curl now in a second, but I just wanted to show you, this is what the end result would be before you do anything, before you brush it out or put any product or anything into it. So you can see how here is nice and straight, but don't worry about that. I know it looks a bit weird, but when we brush this all out, it'll all blend in together. So this is the look before we brush it out or do anything to it. So the most important part to this look is leaving the ends out, because that will give that beachy look and have this straighter. So for these waves I do not brush them out at all. What I do use is Kevin Murphy Bedroom Hair. I absolutely adore this product. It is a texturizing spray, so it will hold the curl that you're after creating, but also it just texturizes it and makes it so much fuller than what it is now already. So all I do is just kind of spray it from here down. Whether you have it up here, you can spray it in there, no problem. But I'll just show you the difference in it. And I just kind of ruffle it up then as well. So just getting the end then. So these are just my favourite curl ever at this moment. And yeah, so that is that. If you enjoyed watching this, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribing already, please do. And thanks for watching. So I will see you in the next video.